Hello, in this video you will learn how to multiply algebraic expressions, and we will be focusing on using the box method. Some prior knowledge before we start is some terminology. So we have the term monomial. Mono means one, that is one term. Example, 5x, 1x. So this is 5 times x and 1 times x. There's no addition or subtraction. That's why it's only one term. Bi means 2, therefore we have two terms, and as you can see we have the 5x plus the 3. As soon as you see a plus sign or a minus sign, that means that there are, in this case, two terms. One is 1x and the other one is the -2. Tri means three terms. We have one term, another term, and then another term, so there's three. And if you look closely, we have 1, 2, addition or subtraction. So addition or subtraction divide an expression into terms. Let's start by solving a problem. Whenever you start multiplying, in this case we are multiplying a monomial times a binomial, we have to place them in the box accordingly. We will start by placing this term right here on the left, and we will be placing the binomial at the top. As you can see, the first one is composed of one term, so there's only one square right here. The next one is composed of two terms. That's why I have two boxes, one for each, 5x squared, and then the 3x on this one. Now this looks like a multiplication table, and we will be multiplying accordingly. We will start by multiplying 3 times 5, 15, and then we will multiply x times x squared. That would be x cubed. Following the same technique, we will start by multiplying the 3x in blue. 3 times 3 is 9. The x in blue times the x in orange would be x squared. Now we have to extract the information from the table. If we are unable to combine anything, then we just bring it out. 15x cubed plus 9x squared. I will show you what I mean by having to combine on the next example. For now, this is the answer. Example number 2. We are given a binomial. So there's two terms. One of them will go here, the other one will go here, and we're given another binomial. The first term will go here, the second term will go here. So we have 5x and 6 from the blue, and we have 3x and 6 from the orange. Multiplying 5 times 3 is 15. X times x is x squared. Now we will multiply the 6 times the 3x. 6 times 3 is 18. The 6 does not have an x, but the 3x does. So we just bring down the x. Next, we will multiply the 5x and the 6. 5 times 6 is 30. The 6 does not have an x, but the 5x does. So we will bring it over. And last but not least, we will multiply 6 times 6. And the answer, we will put it where the two would meet if we were to extend the lines. So 6 times 6 is 36. Now, in this case, we are able to combine the terms. Let's look at what we have. We have 15x squared, 30x, 18x, and 36. Let's start by looking at the one that has a letter and the highest exponent. That one is 15x squared. I did not combine it with anything because that's the only one that has an exponent of 2. After doing that, if you look at these two, they both have an x with no exponent. We will be combining those two. That would give me plus 48x. Whenever we add terms, we do not add the exponents. The exponents only increase when we multiply. And we also have the 36 that we are going to be adding at the end, since there's no other term with no letter. And this would be the answer for problem number 2.